This simple trick will eliminate your fear when approaching women. What's up guys, Joms here, and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And dito sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin dito on how you can eliminate yung takot at kaba when you are trying to approach women. So, ano ba yung mga signs na takot ka, na palagi kang kinakabahan or hindi ka makapag-approach? So, number one sign is you overthink kung bakit hindi ka nag-a-approach. Palagi ka nag-overthink na, putik, ano ba yung magandang sasabihin? Ano ba yung tamang sasabihin na to? Ano yung tamang prompt? Ano yung tamang opener in order for me para magustuhan niya ako? Now, if you always overthink, atakihin ka talaga anxiety mo. Marami ka na magpe-play agad na scenario sa utak mo. Hanggang sa hindi mo na ma-approach, hanggang sa hindi mo na magawa. Number two sign is you always avoid eye contact. So, that's another sign that you are fearing or kinakabahan ka masyado kapag nakikipag-usap sa babae. Now, in order for you to have confidence, you need to maintain eye contact. Kapag lagi kang nag-avoid ng eye contact, meron siyang subconscious signal sa babae na there is something wrong. Because how can she trust you kung ikaw mismo hindi mo pinagkakatiwalaan yung sarili mo? Hindi ka confident. And number three sign is you're missing a lot of opportunities. Marami kang nakikitang options, marami kang gustong lapitan, but always hindi ka nag-take action. Hindi ka nag-a-approach. So if you're continuing to do these signs, these alarming signs, mga posibleng mangyari is number one, you'll continue to feel isolated and lonely. And as man, we are made to connect, to penetrate. Kung wala tayong mapapag-connectahan, wala tayong mapipenetrate, we feel lost. Kumbaga, hindi natin na-fulfill yung purpose natin, yung nature purpose natin. Number two, you may miss chances for meaningful connections. Again, if you're not taking action, if you're not putting yourself out there, if you're not approaching women, then mas less yung chance na magkaroon ka talaga ng partner or ng relationship, thus making you have less connections. And number three, your confidence will not improve. Now, according sa mga last videos ko, sa mga sinabi ko na, in order for you to gain confidence is you need to experience things. So, magiging confident ka lang sa isang bagay kapag paulit-ulit mo na siyang ginagawa, paulit-ulit mo na siyang na-experience. Now, bakit ba mahalaga na maintindihan natin kung paano tayo mag-approach ng women without yung kaba, without yung fear? Now, because yung fear naman, hindi naman talaga mawawala yan. Always mararamdaman mo yan kapag lumalabas ka sa comfort zone mo. Yun yung sign na you're trying to move outside your comfort zone kapag natatakot ka. What we can do is to jump that hurdle. Kailangan natin lagpasan yung takot na yun. Para masabi ng utak na, ay putik, ang dali lang pala, hindi naman pala ako mamamatay. Hindi naman pala ako masasampal. So, this is important because this will significantly boost your dating life, lalo na kung single ka ngayon, or your networking skills, your communication skills. So, ang mga benefit na to is, number one, you'll have confidence sa kahit anong social setting. Kahit saan ka ilalagay, party, networking night, seminars, you'll be more confident to introduce yourself. Number two, you'll create deeper connections. So, with this one, again, a man is made to connect, to penetrate. So, if you want deeper connections, if you want to have a deeper relationship with other people, friends, business partners, girlfriend, asawa, then this might help you. Number three is you'll attract high-quality relationship. Ibig sabihin ng high quality, hindi toxic, hindi demanding. Something that is healthy for both of you. Hindi lang para sa'yo at hindi lang rin para sa kanya. So, ang trick na to is the 3-second rule or the 5-second rule. So, sa akin, ang ginagamit ko is 3-second rule para mabilis lang. So, ang technique na yan is I use it when I'm approaching someone. Usually, magka-countdown ako sa utak ko ng 3, 2, 1, and then I go for the opener. Or I go for the first statement. Genuine compliment or tawag doon, contextual comment. So, basically, ang gagawin ko, 3, 2, 1, sasabihin ko agad yung gusto ko sabihin. In that way, uunahan mo na yung utak mo na bago pa siya mag-overthink. So, you just blurt it out, and then, you just started an opener. So, with that one, mauunahan mo na yung kaba, mauunahan mo na yung takot. Kasi kapag naunahan ka ng kaba at takot, mahirap na tanggalin yun. So in that way, you can approach women with less fear and less kaba. So yun lang. Let's go.